Now at page number 65, 64, no, but it is 63. Page number 63, textbook, lecture number 4. Illustrations, example number 4. Plot the following order pairs of number xy as point in the Cartesian plane. Use the scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both the axes. Okay, scale is on both the axes 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. I told you to complete the Cartesian plane. આખી તમારી ગ્રાફ નોટબુક્સના અંદર આવી રીતે ગઈકાલે મેં તમને બતાવ્યું એ રીતે તમારે દોરીને તૈયાર રાખવાનું. સો ઇટ કેન બી ડન ક્વિક. ઓકે, નાઉ યુ હેવ ટુ પ્લોટ ધીસ ઓર્ડર પેર ઓન હિયર. હાઉ યુ will do it, I will show you. First, -3 and 7. This shows the x coordinate. -3 is here. Draw the vertical line. Draw the vertical line from this one. Okay. And -7 and +7. That is y coordinate. +7 is here. So draw this one. Okay. Extend so they can intersect each other. So that is your point -3 7. -3 7. You can draw very small circle about 1 millimeter diameters. Okay, just -3 and 7. In which quadrant it lies? In second quadrant. When x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive, it lies in the second quadrant. Clear? Now 0 -3.5. Where is your x coordinate? 0 here. And where is your y coordinate? -3.5. -3.5 is here. Between -3 and 4 there is a 10 point. Each point 10 part. Each part shows the 0.1. From here it is 3 -3.1, 3.2, like this way. In middle you will get that point B is 0 -3.5. When the x coordinate is 0, the point lies on the y-axis. -1 and -3. Where is -1? First one axis પર જોવાનું. અહીંયા -1 -3. Take here 3 -1 and -3. That is your point C, -1 -3. When both the coordinates are negative, it lies in the third quadrant. 4 4. Both coordinates are positive. 4 here and 4 here. So it lies in the first coordinate. See here one thing. X is equal to, see here, suppose -3 and 7. I will take 7 and -3. Where is 7 and -3? That is 7 and -3. That means xy is not equal to yx. When it is possible xy is equal to y, when x is equal to y, at that time it is possible. Okay, here 4 and 4. So A, B, C, D, just I will give this D 4 4. Then 2 -3. 2 +2 and -3 is here. It is in fourth quadrant. A, B, C, D, E. 2 and -3. Okay, did you get it? All of these points. આ બધા points તમને આવડી ગયા. Now I will take some extra. Okay, I will take it some extra points. Extra point આપણે જોઈ લઈએ સાથે સાથે. કયો લઈએ? 2 and 6. Where is it? Tell me. That is 2, that is 6. From here to here. Okay, from here I will just draw the dotted line. Okay, 2 and 6. Okay, I will give it name F. Then H I will take 0 and 4. Where is your 0? X, 4 is here. So this point is your H. Then I will take -2 and +3. Where is -2 here? Where is +3 here? -2 and 3. I will take J. -4 and -5. -4 and -5. Okay. Where is -4? Where is -5 here? Draw the vertical line minus here. So you will get this one -4 and -5. Actually this line is given to you in your graph note. That is your guideline. Okay, from that you will get the immediately. एकदम आवड़ी जाए પછી દોરવાની જરૂર નથી. -4 -5. You have to just locate this point. That is in which quadrant? Third quadrant. Okay. Then F. -5 0. Where is -5 x coordinate here? Where is the y coordinate? 0 here. So I will draw horizontal line. So L is equal to -5 0 and is equal to -2 0 and -2. Where is your 0 -2? That is 0, that is -2. Okay, and 0 -2. 0 -2. Okay. Then last point, no but least, 7 and 5. 7 and -3. This inverse of this one. 7 and -3. Where is 7 here? Where is -3 here? 7 and -3. You will get it. I have no guidelines on how to draw it. This one and 7 and -3. And last O 0 0. Where is your 0 0? Here. That O 0 0. Thus you will you have to draw this one. Clear? આવડી ગયો? Again I will repeat this one. -3 7, -3 and 7. 0 -3.5, 0 -3.5, -1 -3, -1 -3, 4 4, that is 4 and +4, 2 -3, that is 2, that is -3. Then F extra points I have select some. 2 6, that is 2 and that is 6. 0 4, 0 4. Then -2 3, -2 +3, -4 -5, -4 -5, 0 -2, 0 minus 2. Okay, 7 minus 3, that is 7 minus 3, and last 0 0, that is your origin. Clear? Now activities 2, page number 64. Okay, game for the 2 persons or more than 2 persons. બે persons છે, they plays the game. They will throw the dice. Initially both the player will be at 0 0. બંને 0 0 પર, એકની રેડ ને એકને બ્લુ, એકની બ્લેક ને એકને બ્લુ. Marking sticks will be there. Okay, ticks, dicks. Okay. Now they will move. One red dice is there, one green dice is there. Red dice, they will move the x-axis according to the red dice, and they will move the on y-axis according to the green dice. લાલ પ્રમાણે છે તે x-axis પર ચાલશે અને green પ્રમાણે y-axis પર ચાલશે. Right? Now according to the first throw નાખ્યો પહેલા પ્લેયરે. Okay, so see, he gets 3 on red dice and 1 gets on green. Then he will move up to 3 according to the x-axis 3 and y-axis per 1. So he will reach at point 3 1. At 3. Now player number 2 is first. When he throws the first, he gets 2 on red dice, 4 on green dice. So he will move that 2 and on y-axis 4 unit. Then that is your second throw. Okay, and second throw, player number 1 got 1 on red dice, 4 on green dice, 1 4. So he will move 1 and 4. So he will get 4 and 5. 3 plus 1, 1 plus 4. 4 5. I get 4 5. Now second throw of this player number 2, 5 and 2. 5 red, green 2. 5 red. So when he was here, 1 2 3 4 and 5. 1 2 3 4 and 5. That is his original point. And second throw, that is his original point. He will move from here. Now he will move from here 5 units on x-axis and 2 units on y. At the second throw they will reach it. The target is to reach at 10 10. આ ટાર્ગેટ ઉપર પહોંચવાનું છે. જે પહેલા પહોંચી જાય તે he will win the match. Okay, he will win the match. More than 2 players can also play this one. Okay, this is just like snakes and ladders. છે ને એમાં પેલું નીચે ઉતરવાનું, આપણે આમાં XY ઉપર આપણે મૂવ થવાનું છે, ભણવાનું છે કે this shows the x-axis and this shows the y-axis. Clear? આવું કંઈ પરીક્ષામાં પૂછાય નહીં, but it's just for the explanations and it is the one kind of the games. Exercise number 3.3. Example number 1. In which quadrant or which axis do the different point -2 4 3 -1 -1 0 1 2 and -3 5 lies? Verify your answer by locating them on the Cartesian plane. First of all, you have to see in which quadrant they will lies. -2 and 4. It is lies on the second quadrant. It is lies in the second. This is minus and x minus y plus. So it is second quadrant. 3 and -1. 3 and -1. They will lies on the fourth quadrant. -1 and 0. y coordinate is 0, so it is lies on the x axis. 1 and 2, first quadrant. -3 and -5, third quadrant. Okay, third quadrant. Now you have to verify this one. Okay, locate exact. -2 and 4. That is your -2 and that is your 4. Okay, get it? -2, that is your -2 and that is your 4. Get it? A -2, 4. A quadrant. D 3 and -1. 3 and -1. 3 and -1. Fourth quadrant. Okay. That is your B. 3 -1. Then -1 and 0. -1 and 0. -1 and 0. D point 1 and 2, first quadrant. 1 and 2, first quadrant. Then -3 and -5. -3, draw the vertical line. From D, horizontal line. -3 and 5. That is your E. That is your E. -3 and -5. Okay, got it? I will repeat. -2 and 4. Second quadrant. 3 plus 3 and -1. Fourth quadrant. -1 and 0 on the x-axis. 1 and 2 in the first quadrant. -3 and -5 in the third quadrant. Get it? આવડી ગયું બરાબર? હવે તો તમને લોકેશન લોકેટ કરતા બી આવડી જશે. વેરી ગુડ. અને આઈ વિલ સેન્ડ સમ exercise from practice book. Try to solve it. Okay? એ ગણવાનું તમે ટ્રાય કરજો. If you have some difficulty, we will see it. Tell me, I will explain on the board. Next time I will start chapter number 4. Chapter number 4, and it is connected. And type same to same, but in some details. Okay? But first of all, try to solve this exercise which I sent by the PDF file. Okay? And some notes from the that books. The books are sematic printed materials I will send it. Okay? Now next example number 2. Okay, exercise number 3.3. Exercise number 3.3. Example number 2. Okay, so plot the point xy given in the following table on the plane. Choose the suitable unit of the distance on the x-axis. Scale is, first of all we have checked scale on both the axes. Generally આપણે બધામાં આ લીધેલો છે 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Okay, in your graph notebook that one checks is 1 by 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. Okay, yesterday I have shown you this graph note. Graph note ના અંદર કેવી રીતે તમારે બનાવવાનું છે કાર્ટેશિયન પ્લેન. I saw 2 graphs. Okay, x -2 and 8. આ બધા પ્લોટ કરવાના છે. -2 and 8. That is -2 and 8. -2 vertical line and 8 horizontal line. The intersection point is known as this one, -2, 8. Third quadrant. -1 and 7. -1 and 7. This point. -1 and 7. 0 and -1.25. That is your 0. On x-axis 1.25. You will get the 10 part here. So first part is 1.1, second part is 1.2. Take the point lies between them. આ બેની વચ્ચે તમારે મૂકી દેવાનું છે. ઓકે, so that is your 0 minus 125 છે. So below this one, so you will get this one 1.1 1.2 ની વચ્ચે 0 minus 1.25. Okay, this point. Third point. Fourth point, 1 and 3. 1 is on the x-axis, 3 is here, right? 1 and 3. And 3 and minus 1, that is your 3 and minus 1 is here. 3 minus 1. That is in the second quadrant, that is minus 1 7. Minus 1 7 also in second quadrant, that is on y-axis. 1 3 on the first quadrant, 3 minus 1 is in the fourth quadrant. Okay, like this you have to do this one. Now you in this chapter you have learned these 6 points. Summary, write it 1 times and study it. Okay, so you can easily solve this problem. તમે problems ઘણી સારી રીતે solve કરી શકો. Next time we will start the chapter. Tomorrow I will start the chapter number 4th, linear equations. That is, yes, linear equations in 2 variables. That is totally based on this. આના ઉપર વધારે આધાર રાખે છે first part. Okay, so we'll go in details to draw the graph. Graph કેવી રીતે draw કરવાના એના અંદર all details ના અંદર આપણે જશું. Okay, and in homework do this exercise which I sent in PDF file.